Hi, I'm Captain Monique Napolitano, and I'm one of the 501st BSB physical therapists. Today, I would like to talk about basic foot care in order to prevent blisters. The 4 things I will cover today are picking the right footwear, picking the right socks, prepping your feet, and then what to do if a blister does occur. When picking out your boots, you want to make sure that the toe box or the front of the boot has enough room for your toes to splay out when you're walking. This will help reduce friction. Also, you want to make sure that the fit on your heel is snug, so when you lace up your boots, the foot is not sliding forward and backwards excessively. Choosing the right sock is a huge component of preventing blisters. You want to make sure that the sock is moisture wicking, and materials to look for are acrylic, polypropylene, or polyester. This is going to help wick the moisture away from your foot and on top of the sock so it can more easily evaporate. Also, wearing 2 layers of socks can transfer the friction from your foot to between the 2 socks that you are wearing. The base layer that you wear should also be moisture wicking, but it can have a higher percentage of nylon in it in order to be more of a smooth surface. If you're in a pinch, you can actually use the dress socks that you have for your ASUs. They usually have about 50% nylon and 50% polyester in them. Then the top layer of sock can be a thicker boot sock, and this can have a higher percentage of polyester, polypropylene, or acrylic. The next step is to properly prep the feet. If you have areas on your feet that you already know are hot spots, you can go ahead and use moleskin that you can purchase at the PX. And you can cut into various sizes and cover those areas before they turn into blisters. Moleskin is my first line of defense for bony prominences on the foot, but there's some areas that the moleskin doesn't cut it, such as in between your toes. If that's a problem that you're running into, there are different products that you can purchase to further reduce friction. One product that you can purchase at Military Clothing and Sales is Foot Glide. Some other things that you can use is A&D ointment, Run Goo, or even Vaseline. Unfortunately, sometimes blisters happen, and if it does happen to you, please refrain from trying to pop it and drain it. The best way for the blister to heal is to offload it and protect it. First, clean the skin with alcohol. Then, apply the donuts around the blister. Take a small amount of Neosporin and put it on the blister inside the donut. Cover the donuts with another piece of moleskin. It may be a good idea to further tape the moleskin to your foot so it doesn't slide or fall off while you're walking. If the blister has already broken open, please go see a medic so they can clean and bandage and monitor for infection. I would suggest carrying a foot care kit with you. So it already has pre-cut moleskin donuts, Neosporin, Band-Aids, medical tape, and anything else you think you might need in case of hot spots or blisters. Thanks for following along, and stay tuned for more H2F informational videos.